Not exceptionally distant from Earth, scientists have generally identified a newly discovered planet named Proxima B. Recently, astronomers unveiled the sharpest image ever captured of Proxima B. Thanks to the renowned James Webb Space Telescope, this celestial body orbits the star closest to our Sun. The stunning image offers a captivating glimpse into a realm beyond our solar system, igniting curiosity and enthusiasm among the global scientific community. But how did this telescope accomplish such a remarkable feat? Could this visual reveal a gateway into a location capable of supporting life? Ultimately, what does this breakthrough signify for our comprehension of distant worlds and the vast cosmos? Join us as we explore the recently revealed high-definition image of Proxima B, captured by the James Webb Telescope. A mysterious world. Proxima Centauri B resides within the expansive reaches of space encircling its parent star, Proxima Centauri, a mere 4.2 light-years from Earth. Our initial view of the planet's clearest depiction thus far has captivated our imagination, prompting inquiries about its resemblance to Earth. Could it perhaps harbor oceans and teem with life, adding to its allure? Proxima Centauri isn't solitary in its journey. It shares an orbital system with another substantial planet, Proxima Centauri C. Proxima Centauri B absorbs approximately the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, leading scientists to speculate about its potential to harbor water or sustain life. As we navigate the vastness of the universe, we encounter numerous exoplanets orbiting stars beyond our Sun. Amid an astonishing 206 trillion stars scattered throughout the cosmos, the possibilities for planetary discovery appear limitless. Some of these planets traverse space independently, akin to colossal wanderers. Proxima Centauri B stands as a compelling enigma among this vast collection of astronomical objects. Its orbital period is notably brief, lasting just 11.7 Earth days, and it orbits its star at a distance many times closer than Earth's proximity to the Sun. Consequently, one hemisphere of the planet experiences perpetual daylight, while the other remains in eternal darkness, amplifying its alien and perhaps awe-inspiring nature. Initially detected through the radial velocity technique, a groundbreaking method in the search for exoplanets, Proxima B revealed itself by subtly shifting the motion of its star due to gravitational pull. This minimal yet measurable influence causes the star to oscillate slightly in its trajectory. Astronomers identify this motion by examining alterations in the star's spectral characteristics, known as Doppler shifts. In Proxima B's case, these minute variations in the star spectrum expose the presence of this distant world, demonstrating the radial velocity method's effectiveness in identifying planets beyond our solar neighborhood. Confirming Proxima B was a pivotal scientific victory, as it validated the existence of an exoplanet within the habitable zone of the Sun's closest stellar neighbor. This revelation ignited widespread curiosity among academics, professionals, and astronomy enthusiasts globally. They are eager to unravel the secrets Proxima B might conceal and to assess what its discovery contributes to our perception of the universe and the likelihood of extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri, a cosmic marvel. Proxima Centauri B is a cosmic marvel worthy of wonder. Envision three astronomical companions, Regulus, Canopus, and Proxima Centauri, traveling through space, forming the nearest stellar arrangement to our own. Gazing at the night sky, Regulus and Canopus unite into a radiant beacon, gleaming together within their course constellation. Ranked as the third brightest stars, they dazzle observers with a peak magnitude of 0.27. Yet, it's the modest Proxima that conceals an enthralling mystery. Also known as Alpha Centauri, this red dwarf star, classified within the Type M category, lies just 0.21 light-years from its more luminous companions. To contextualize, that's multiple times farther than the Earth-Sun distance. The name Proxima Centauri, Latin for nearest star, emphasizes its position as our closest stellar neighbor. In 1915, Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn Innes introduced this stellar gem to humanity. Despite its proximity, Proxima Centauri remains elusive to the casual observer, possessing a visual magnitude of 11.13, well beyond the human eye's detection limit of 6.5. Even so, its significance is substantial. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are formidable powerhouses, generating energy through deep convection currents. This star is expected to endure as the primary member of its system for the next 4 trillion years, demonstrating an enduring brilliance. However, habitability around Proxima Centauri involves several challenges. As a flare star, Proxima Centauri undergoes abrupt and intense energy outbursts. Its relatively low mass indicates that any zone conducive to life must be situated much nearer to the star compared to the Sun's equivalent zone. Enter Proxima B, a planet residing within this delicate zone at a distance akin to Earth's orbit. But appearances can be deceiving. Proxima B contends with severe ultraviolet radiation, many times more potent than the sunlight Earth receives. This extreme radiation threatens even the simplest atoms, like hydrogen, destabilizing vital elements such as oxygen and nitrogen. Furthermore, simply being in the habitable zone doesn't ensure livability. Proxima B may lack the essential environmental systems to sustain life, regulate temperature, or support liquid water. Without a robust atmospheric barrier, any form of life would face the harsh elements of space, greatly diminishing the planet's potential to support organisms as we know them. The role of the James Webb Space Telescope. The endeavor to unlock Proxima B's secrets continues to propel advancements in space research. One of the key instruments driving this effort is the James Webb Space Telescope. Deployed in late 2021 after a series of delays, this next-generation telescope holds the potential to illuminate one of the most captivating questions in astronomy. Is there life on Proxima B? The quest for truth about Proxima B is anything but easy. The James Webb Telescope required extensive calibration to deliver precise imagery. According to a distinguished physicist at Harvard, Proxima B demands a refined observational approach. Located in its star's life-supporting zone, the planet may absorb and emit infrared radiation essential for life, making it detectable by Webb's powerful sensors. This instrument's ability to register faint emissions from the planet's surface aids scientists in identifying signs of water or an atmosphere. Determining whether Proxima B harbors water is a critical step in evaluating its potential to nurture life. Water is an essential element for biological processes on Earth. If present on Proxima B, it would significantly enhance the odds of the planet being life-friendly or at least capable of supporting simple organisms. Though Proxima B receives sunlight comparable to Earth's, its closeness to a red dwarf star exposes it to volatile radiation and magnetic forces, endangering the stability of any atmosphere. The actual presence of liquid water remains uncertain. Researchers currently rely on simulations and theoretical models to explore various environmental scenarios on Proxima B. Some theories suggest the presence of vast oceans. Detecting water directly remains a formidable challenge, demanding sophisticated instruments and favorable atmospheric conditions. As astronomical tools continue to evolve, the veil surrounding Proxima B's atmosphere and water potential is expected to lift, offering deeper insight into this enigmatic exoplanet. Yet, even the existence of an atmosphere does not ensure Proxima B's suitability for life. Astrophysicist Adam Turner from Princeton University warns against making assumptions. He proposes that the planet might resemble Venus, with a dense, suffocating atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures, conditions that render the emergence or survival of life nearly impossible. Proxima B, a neighbor full of possibilities. Far from being just another remote exoplanet, Proxima B emerges as a fascinating cosmic neighbor, alluring us with its potential to sustain life. Its proximity to Earth makes it an ideal target for future interstellar exploration, capturing the imagination of both scientists and skywatchers. Though modern spacecraft technology currently prevents direct visitation, Proxima B lies within the realm of long-term human space exploration ambitions. Reaching the planet, however, presents substantial technical challenges. A probe using existing propulsion systems, such as Voyager 2, would take approximately 73,000 years to arrive. Yet, human innovation continues to drive breakthroughs in aerospace engineering, including technologies like solar sails. These ultralight, reflective sails could enable spacecraft to reach incredible speeds, potentially shortening the journey to the Proxima Centauri system to just 2 decades. Such extraordinary advancement brings the dream of reaching an Earth-like world within a human lifespan tantalizingly closer to reality. The discovery of Proxima B has reignited humanity's cosmic curiosity, renewing a shared ambition to journey beyond our world, explore new frontiers, and contemplate the existence of life elsewhere. While the James Webb Space Telescope stands as a technological marvel, it is not without limitations. Despite its remarkable capability to examine remote celestial objects and analyze their potential for life, interpreting atmospheric data and determining actual habitability remain intricate challenges. Proxima B, which may have some atmospheric similarities to Venus, reminds us that possessing an atmosphere doesn't necessarily make a planet livable. Nonetheless, the telescope's ability to detect even faint indicators of advanced life, such as reflective orbital structures or spectral anomalies, underscores its vital role in this cosmic search. A universe of wonders. The universe, in its vast and enigmatic scope, houses an astonishing variety of planetary systems, each with secrets waiting to be unveiled. These exoplanets, worlds that orbit stars beyond our sun, exhibit an extraordinary diversity of sizes, compositions, and environments. Some resemble Jupiter or Saturn in scale, while others mirror Earth more closely. Gas giants, among the most captivating types of exoplanets, continue to inspire the scientific world. Some of these giants, termed superjupiters, surpass Jupiter in both size and mass. Others, known as hot Jupiters, orbit perilously close to their parent stars, enduring temperatures so extreme they could melt metals. Research into these exotic planets reveals intense climates, from blistering heat to violent atmospheric storms. Yet, exoplanets aren't limited to massive giants. Neptune-like bodies, often referred to as Neptunians, come in compact, hot forms. These smaller, cloud-wrapped worlds often orbit very near to their host stars and present unique observational challenges. Our pursuit of understanding planets like Proxima B has fueled a revolution in astronomical tools and techniques, methods of discovery and the search for life. One transformative method, known as the transit technique, involves monitoring the slight dimming of a star's light when a planet passes in front of it. This method has enabled scientists to detect thousands of exoplanets, many located in temperate zones where water could remain in liquid form. These discoveries heighten scientific interest and bring us closer to answering one of the universe's most profound questions. Are we alone? Beyond detecting planets, astronomers now focus on identifying biosignatures, chemical indicators that might suggest biological activity. By analyzing the atmospheric composition of exoplanets, scientists look for gases such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, substances often associated with life as we know it. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its advanced infrared sensors, is well-positioned to lead this quest, enabling researchers to detect these critical gases on planets located many light-years away. If confirmed, such biosignatures would provide compelling evidence that life could indeed exist beyond Earth. Still, as we peer deeper into space, the search continues not only among distant stars but also within our own solar system, reminding us that the quest for life is both a scientific journey and a deeply human one.